Okay. 1, 2. Man, I just had a really good idea. I forgot. There's something I need to think about. What is it? Wow. Okay. Hey, I did a bit of work behind the scenes since the last stream. I would have done it on stream, but man, it was so hard. Ooh, that's one heck of a loading time. Yeah, so I changed the code a bit so that now when you don't have anything selected, you can, it tells you, or at least it writes something. When you select it, then it switches the UI. And then you can still do editing. So if I want 3000, numbers are synced. Yeah. Okay. And then from there, when I have a level selected, I'm able to enter it by clicking one of the buttons. That's gonna change later, but at least I have that now. So the next part will be to be able to add keyframes. Oh yeah. I saw something I didn't like in my team. That's odd. Ooh. Why are you italic? Comment. Why is font style italic? Italic, italic. Am I supposed to like relaunch? Oh, there we go, it's fixed now. Okay. Man, I need to start like doing some work because I'm gonna sleep. Okay. Washing glasses is so hard. Oh man, I need to go like put some water or something. How did it even get to that point? I maintained them the whole day. Okay, let's call it. Okay. Oh. Huh, okay, I'll have to look into that. Anyway. Okay, this is where I'm at. I need to clean up some code real fast. Needs to return bool. This too. I wonder if there's a cleaner way to do this. I wish there was an easier way to do the same thing. Huh, I just found a bug. Oops. Alright. Oh, that's fun. The colors are different now. Maybe I like my other colors, but I like this white. I'll have to think about it. Okay, anyway. Three. Right. This is fun. If levels, oops. Oh, I don't have that. I guess I should add it. Public bool contains return how do we do this? Contains key. Contains value. Contains key. It's a key, so it's a... JK. If select the level is more or equal to 0. I'm starting to wonder if I could rewrite this to extend from a dictionary. Maybe. And then I wouldn't need to like I'll have to think about it. Perfect. So now I have undo, redo. Undo, undo, redo, redo. Perfect. Okay, how do I add keyframes now? What's the workflow? So I need a button, add keyframe. Let's start with that. Oh, I moved everything down there. Right panel, new level, obstacle. I wonder why I put spaces here. Okay, this is gonna be add keyframe. And then I'm gonna have copy paste. Oh, okay, this is gonna get really cool really fast. Okay, okay, that's fine. A bit loud. Oh, I had that before. Okay. Delete obstacle, create obstacle. What is this button? Create obstacle. Oh, so it is tab. Okay, okay. Create obstacle. What do you do? Obstacle that count equals 0 or cursor time. Huh. That's fun. L dot add obstacle. Let's go read this really fast. Oh, that's all this is. Really nice. This has an issue on duplicates. Maybe I fix it here when it duplicates. Let's forget it. Okay, so add obstacle, sort. L dot add obstacle, new obstacle at this time. Selected obstacle. Oh. +1. Oh, that's some funny code right there. Okay. Oops. If maybe I should create a better function, but whatever. If selected level is more or equal to 0, then I can do levels selected level add obstacle new obstacle set timeline dot cursor time. Okay, that already works. Let's try it. Okay, they're not displayed for now. Let's go change that. Draw. Draw UI, draw timeline. It's a case where I should open that in a different editor. So I need to add some graphics to my timeline. Wherever that is, UI, timeline, okay. Draw, I need more stuff in here. Oh. Get level, perfect. have access to the level. Perfect. Oh man, this is feeling sick, like so awesome. That's the timeline cursor. I'm looking at this. I'm trying to understand what I did. Oh. Everything's gone. Okay. I'll need to launch the demo. Steam isn't running? Okay, that's what it looks like. Man, this was so cool. Oop, 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 oop. Man, I'm so impressed right there. Oh, also they're displayed above. Oop. Okay, I can do that. Okay. Oh, there's a lot of lag right now. Four. Why do I cast to float? I don't see a single reason to cast that to float. Oops. Here it's fine because it's a division. But okay, I'm supposed to have float. obstacle left. Window left plus Hey, Wilfred. What am I working on? I'm making it possible to create some actual levels in my new level editor. So this is my old level editor. So I'm able to put keyframes at different timings, and then at this timing I can put some obstacles, and then this would look like that. Boop, 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 boop. I can put like this. So you see, I'm able to add obstacles. I can add more keyframes if I want. Boop, boop, boop. And I can do like this, and then this here I can do this, and then here I can do this. So you can see. Hey, I wonder if this is possible. Close. Oh, it is. Nice. Okay, anyway. Yeah, so what I'm doing right now is the timeline. So this is my old timeline. This is how it looked. So I need to re-add those lines for the keyframes in my new timeline. That's what I'm doing right now. I'm looping through all the keyframes. I wonder why I don't call this keyframe. I'll probably like rename that later. Yeah, so I'm looping through all of them, and now I need to draw them. So s.draw line, obstacle left. Obstacle left, bottom, color that black, this is gonna be white. Okay, what is this doing? Left minus window left. I already have that. Check this out. Frame 0, you're here. And then you go like at 200, I could be anywhere here. After 700 milliseconds, I could be here. Eventually, this is gonna be more advanced. So with the let's say I go. Okay, with this pattern. Imagine if I can run this with my with this algorithm, and then it could, where the explosions happen, you would have holes, and then it would respread, so you could like visualize the whole level like this. Man, I never got to finish this algorithm. Yeah, so this one you can't run in a straight line. Oh, whoops. I pressed it. So imagine if you could like have this spread, and then where the and then you would see like this wave propagate, end up here. This whole thing gets deleted, and then shoop, it propagates towards the bottom after that. Yeah. Anyway, I understand what I'm saying. Yeah, so when I work that a bit more, it's gonna look really cool. Yeah, anyway. Yeah, I'm trying to understand this code. ABS, why do I do that? What's the whole point? What am I doing? Left minus what is it? Wait. I have my left side. Window left plus obstacle time. Oh! Man, once upon a time I was like the smartest guy ever. Look at that. If I create a keyframe really close, boop, and now, because like the text would overlap, so instead only draw one, and don't draw the other one because the text is overlapping. Wow. Whoa. So like this one doesn't get drawn, this one does, but then you get here, the two don't get drawn, but this one. Man, it's kind of bad code though, but like it's kind of cool. Yeah. I mean, I think the me from nowadays would not do that. Also, I think it's not... Wait, what? How is it working? I thought I just broke it. And what does that do? I equal 0 or I is bigger than 0. Yeah. I mean, this is next level right there. ABS. Last text drawn. What is that? Wait, am I going crazy? Oh, okay. Man. It's like I'm reading the code from a genius or something. This freaking thing, it remembers the last text that was drawn. It saves it. And then if we're too close from the... Why I equals 0 though? No, it's still working. What's the point of that? Oh, it looks like I didn't think about everything. So now they're, yeah. Why did I hard code it to 50 though? How does 50 end up being correct? I mean, I don't see it break, but why? Oh. No. Okay, let's forget about the timings and let's just draw the lines and test that right now. What am I doing? Okay, I'm testing. Let's run it. I should at least see some lines. Also, I have an else if we're selected. Bottom plus 30. Huh. There's a lot of magic values in there. Ooh! You guys see that line? Boom. Boom. Man. This feels great. Boom. Yeah, it just works. Oh, my timeline was like almost twice the size back then. I prefer the smaller one. Okay, I think there's room to draw text above. Huh. So I can add keyframes to that one. Oh, I still have this. The play. Ooh, coffee. How do I draw my text right now? Wait, it's hard-coded. Hey, where's my documentation? Come on. Oh, I'm a... Oh man, like I'm looking at the wrong file. This feels so much better. When you can put your mouse and things pop up. Boom, boom. Oh, I forgot to style that. It's not like it looks bad, but I could have a darker color for the background on this. Oh. It's representing some positions. So this is the x-axis and then this is the y-axis. In other words, 50 is a hard-coded number so that with the specific font size it looks good when it's at the position of 50. Yeah, by 100 pixels. Where am I? Okay. Ha! Nowadays I actually measure the string. Measure the string, and then I have my yeah, so instead of hard coding a value like 50, I do a math formula. Man, I need to go edit my team right now. Change the color, it's so ugly. Man, I need to like not do anything, just like keep working. Okay. What's the right way of showing numbers? Do you guys have examples of good timelines? Maybe Blender? Let's go check. What is Blender? Ooh, Blender does it like that. Oh, I don't dislike that. Instead of showing the number, They show the line, but the timeline has the numbers on the bottom. And then based on like the size of your, okay, their smallest is 2. It makes sense actually. By 10, by 20. Okay, this is what I'm doing. This is way too good. Hey, when you're in doubt, always check what Blender does. Yeah, now that I see the Blender one, this old shit, it's like so bad. Yeah. Wow. Man, when you see like the real deal, when you see this shit right there, and then you look at your stuff, you're like, wait, I'm like... Oh, is there? Oh, you're right. Man, Blender is so good. Oh, I snapped to the grid too. Nice, nice. Boom, boom. Okay, so I just need to draw. Oh, man, why did I never think of that? It makes so much sense. Like, instead of showing the number on the keyframe, it's so much better to just show all the numbers. And then, I mean, the human eye can just say, oh, this is pretty much between 25 and 30. It's so easy. Okay. How does the Blender timeline work? Actually, it's so special. The scroll bar. For my game, I'm sort of against scroll bars, I think. I think I prefer to show the whole, like if I put 10, it goes from 0 to 10. Or if I put 100, it goes from 0 to 100. Or if I put 1,000, 0 to 1,000. Okay. I need to understand how Blender determines the distances. How do you know that you're supposed to do increments of 5 or increments of 20s? So when it becomes smaller than something. Yeah, but it doesn't matter. Like, let's say my high number is 100,000. And now, like, obviously I lose precision. Like, I want a number at 60,000 or something. Or like, let's put it really 60,000. Poop. It doesn't matter because I have the precision from the text box. Okay, let's remove a 0 because it's hard to work with. Yeah. So even though like on the timeline itself I lose precision, I still have precision from this text box. If I want 3,000, I get 3,000 exactly. If I can write. boop, and then I can add my keyframe exactly at 3000. Also, I think, yeah, if I hold control, it snaps to the nearest 5. And I thought I had another one to snap to the nearest something else. Man, this is dirty. I hate it. Left shift. Increments of 10, increments of 100. Wait, is this not working? If I press, is this held? Question mark. If yes, 10. Wait, never mind. I'm looking at the wrong screen to timeline. Oh, the delta scroll. Whoops. It's when I scroll. I'm able to scroll with the increments of 100 or increments of 10. Yeah, apparently I'm already doing that. I just didn't do it on the mouse. I take a bool for snapping, but I snap to increments of 5. Yeah, apparently I have everything. Except the Blender timeline. Okay. Okay, goal number 1. Let's write that. Timeline goals. The number 1 goal is no text overlap. This is forbidden. So if this is forbidden... Wait, what? Oh, I don't know why, but my keyboard layout keeps changing today. It's happened like 10 times already. I don't know what I'm doing that is doing that. I have only a single keyboard in my... But the keyboard layouts is listing 10 different keyboards out of nowhere. Okay, there we go. Okay, text overlap. In other words, I need to be using the text size, compute the size of a number. Oh, that's what I want to see actually. Blender, how do you do this? Right now you're in increments of 10. Let's say we go to a really high number. And let's make them really close together. Let's go up to 10,000. Well, Control Shift. I forgot what I asked. I forgot the question, so I don't remember. Can I just scroll bar really fast? 10,000. I guess it's not perfect all the time. So now this is increments of 100. Oh man, this is hard to read. 20,000. All the numbers I mean, they don't overlap, but okay, so it automatically determines the next number in a way so that they never overlap. And there are like numbers where it becomes hard to read. So that means I need to code it in a way so that there's always a bit of space so that they... Yeah, 1, 2, 5, 10, 20, 50. Yeah, that's not bad. Okay, I need to try the new blender. If I can remember where I put it. I guess I need to go back, re-download it. Blender, yes. When you want to be the best, you need to... No, I'm not doing 3D. I'm doing UI. I'm learning the Blender way. I think I'll set it up so that instead of having intervals the same way that Blender does,
I am a robot.
Thanks for your follow, Andrea Carasho. Welcome to the stream. What's up with that Monka is? You don't like Blender? With great power. What is this music? It's so good. Oh, One Piece, of course. I should have known. Do I? Oh man. Okay, I think it will not be about the interval. I think it's gonna try to cram as many numbers as it can inside of this area, like from 0 here up to 10,000 here. And then it will put the numbers one after the other, poop, 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 with a bit of space. So if you drop the number down to like 1,000, poop, you're gonna have the numbers at the same position with the same interval from 0 to 1,000 instead. Well, I'll try that and then we'll see if it's good. Well, you just put your mouse, you click, and you're gonna see the number. But the scale itself will not be... So you're gonna have more numbers. Or maybe I can do it even simpler. Always cut this ruler in, for example, maybe 10. And then you show 10 specific numbers. Poop, poop, poop. Or maybe like 20 numbers. Like, write 20 numbers from left all the way to the right. And those numbers are... Like, the position will always be the same. But depending on how big the range is, the numbers change. Man, it's taking forever to extract Blender. Yeah. Come on, extract. 3 minutes? Is my stream lagging for everyone else? Hey, D-Crew. Am I dropping frames? Oh, if the stream is lagging, go on YouTube. I'll give you the link. I clicked the wrong. Give me... Oh man, it's taking forever to find the link. Where are you? Twitch player is slow? Is that me? Oh, I'm streaming. Right. Sorry. 16 seconds. Wow, freak. Hey, I gave him a better link. You have the shit tier link. I have like the god tier one. Because it's a vanity link. Man, I'm waiting here. 1 more minute. I guess I don't need to wait for Blender for that. Timeline, man, so many things. Close that and close that. Gameplay, no need. Bound, no need. Bounding, okay. At least on YouTube you have quality options. Oh, never mind. I thought I had them on Twitch. My hard drive is so slow. It's probably because I'm streaming. 7-second delay. Oh, not bad. How did you figure that out? Without writing anything.
I am a robot.
Thanks for the follow, Cookie Lover. Welcome to the stream. Okay, moment of truth.
I am a robot.
Thanks for the follow, Kenny22. Oh, nurse statistics. Nice.
I
think I did.
A robot.
Thanks for the follow, TechND1.
I am a robot.
Thanks for the follow, Itachi54614. Whoa! Man, the new UI is so good. Oh, man.
I am a robot.
Thanks for the follow, it's Jorcat. Oh, man. This is so incredibly good. Am I lagging? Oh, I put my thing on the right mouse button. Oh, these... Wow. They're consistent now. Okay, let's add a keyframe. Poop. Location. Ooh. That's new. Why is there 4 dots? Animation. Oh, they don't go as close as they did before. Oh, they fixed it. Okay, I think I'll do that. This looks really good. And it's never hard to read. Even that is pretty easy. Let's go in bigger numbers and see. Yeah, it's always good. Like that right there is their worst case, and this is, they have enough space that it's easy to see. Okay, I'm doing that. In other words, I don't need anything else other than my keyframes here. And then... how do we code this loop? Not right away obvious how to do it. In time. Let's start at the left side, 0. I might actually do a while loop for this. While something. While... what am I looping on? How do we call this? keyframe. I'm blanking out. Int. Let's call it keyframe. It's not a keyframe though. It's just a time. Do they have like a... If I leave my mouse on this... Frame? Oh, it's a frame, right. Okay, while frame... Yeah, exactly. Well, I understand what you're saying, but that's not what I'm doing. I have something like really cool. Okay, frame. I need window left. Or not. Start at window left. While frame, oops, frame is smaller than window right. Okay, frame plus equal something, whatever that is. Man, stop it. I can't understand what the autocomplete is doing. Okay. Frame. Smaller. Okay, I need to write the number. Let's go back down. So no matter what, there's 0 is written. That's what I'm doing too. Let's do a drawstring. I'll hard code that to 0 for now. We can fix that later. Screen x minus window left divided by ratio width. Okay. Okay. Oh, I'm actually allowed to use this function. That's true. Okay, and this returns what? An int? I'll name it fun for now. Screen to timeline. I'm giving you frame. I'll give you false and level dot loop time. Okay. That you're just gonna be fun. Oop, that's the text. And this is frame. Plus 15, what is that for? I don't get the plus 15. Okay. Okay, I'll need plus 15 too, that's fine. 0, color white. Fun. Plus equal. Oops. UI helper dot measure string. And this returns a float, right? A vector too. My editor. VS Code. Almost 700 megabytes. But I have a couple of them open. Also, my CPU is dying. 100% usage. Mostly from playing my game, I guess. Oh, Rashtal editor? Not much. If I look at this... wait, where is it? Netcore. The whole thing is 200 megabytes. The whole game. So this includes all the graphics and... Okay, that's fun. Let's try it. It's not gonna do what I want, but I need to try it. White. Okay, that's fine. Oh, there's a bug. No, there's not. Apparently I handled that. Wow, wow. Boom. Okay. Okay. Let's add a bit of padding. Plus, let's say 20. Then I can fix it later. Boom. Okay. Already we're getting something. Now I just need to have the numbers be rounded to, for example, nearest 5. I mean, this isn't entirely bad. Oh, also I feel like it should be drawn behind the cursor. And if this is changed. Wait, what? Oh, cause oh right. Cause this is 1, boop, 2, boop. Right. Zero, 1. Oh. I could have sworn I made it snap. Well, yeah, it is the padding, but I mean, it's really close, but they're not quite. Oops. There's a slight offset. Man, there's something elegant to this. Okay. Let's try it through. Now it's gonna snap to the 5s. Woohoo. Maybe 5 is fine. Oh, and now the snapping is good. Yep. They line up exactly. I like it. I can add a bit more padding, like 40. Man, writing code is too easy. I just reused code that I've already written, and the whole thing is coded in 4 lines. Whoa. Okay, I need to only draw the first one. 0. Oh, and this is snapping. Yeah. I mean, I thought that this would be really hard to code. And then I just like write a couple lines and it just works. Okay, how do I fix that? When there's not enough numbers. I don't get why the 5 is drawn there. Well, actually, why is the 0 drawn there? I don't get it. Okay, it's snapping to the nearest 5. Boop, 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 boop. Yeah, so I still don't get it actually. Okay, this is what's going on. Boop. Ah, you see? Took. This is 10. Took 15. Okay. Huh. Okay. In other words, I get this number called fun. I'm not allowed to use it like this. This is forbidden. And also, and last number. The 0 is always drawn, right? Yes. Okay. Last number. Okay. Screen to timeline, fun. Fun is the number. Ah, okay, this is the error there, frame times 5. I need to use the math like this. Poop. Instead of cursor left, it's called okay, let's call it fun left. Boop. This is fun right there, ratio width, fun left. I'm gonna rename the variables, but I can't be bothered to give it a name right now. Boom, fun left. Okay, if fun does not equal last number, I guess I'll start at -1. There we go. If fun does not equal last number, boom, like that. Bug fixed. Let's rerun. Oh, actually, never mind. I'm looking at the wrong thing. Am I crashing? I lagged out. Did I do something? What did I do? Division by 0, infinite loop? Infinite loop, right? Cause I'm never adding. Okay, this needs to be outside of this. Man, I should have spotted that right away. And now this is wrong. Maybe. Yes, it's wrong. Okay, it's wrong, but let's just see what it looks like at least. Boom. Okay, no crash. Ooh. 5, perfect. Oh man. Woo. Okay, I'm gonna fix that, but like it's still really nice. I need to get the difference between frame and fun left. Okay. Fun left is bigger than frame. In other words, frame plus equal fun left minus frame. What's wrong? Are you really a float? Why? Float int. This is good enough. Okay, this fixes it. Maybe. Boom. This is so fun. Ooh. Well, this is arguably fine. Yeah, because now we get into the hundreds, and now you don't have room because there's 3 numbers. So it's instead of doing by 5, it's now doing by 10. Let's keep going. Whoop, what happened here? Now the numbers become really close. Poop. We're skipping here, but we are not skipping here. Why? Maybe my plus 40 is not quite right. Let's try. $30. I feel like there's no way to fix that. I don't think there's any way. Yeah, 30 isn't a bad number. Never mind, 30 is too small. There's not enough space here. Or maybe 50. I like space. Or I could, instead of 50, have a ratio from my my text size. Man, this is elegant. Boom. Okay. I need to, instead of hard coding at 50, I need to hard code at the size of a multiple of my character size. In other words, let's copy that. Boom. Measure string 1x. Text width. And this is not text height, this is text height half. Okay, text width dot x. So now I can do plus text width. Okay, let's try that really fast. It's not exactly what I want, but it's close. Okay, let's multiply that by 2. Anyway, I just want to see if it jumps the same way I did earlier. Now they're getting really close. What? What? How does it overlap like that? $14. Even with 14, there should be no overlap. I don't get it. Why is there an overlap? Because of the rounding. So when because 14 is so small, the number ends up somewhere. Yeah, it gets rounded. Eh, whatever. It's not like I wanted a single character anyway. I want at least like 4. Nice. Nice, nice. So far, so good. Eh. I mean, is this a bug or is this a feature? What happens in Blender when you... Yeah, there's numbers are jumping too and all. Yeah. I'm not liking. This is jumping by 15 and then suddenly it jumps by 20. I don't like that. I'm gonna have to code a different algorithm. This was really cute. Really nice little code, but it's not good enough. I want that the interval stays consistent within like a region. When you get to another region, like for example the 100, then it's fine if the interval changes. And then when you get into the thousands, then it's fine if the or do I keep it as is for now? It's good enough. Let's keep it. It's not like people are gonna be editing the loop time non-stop. Usually you design your level, you put a loop time and that's it. You don't really change it. Or if you do, like you're not playing with that anyway. Okay. I consider that good. Okay, this is not white. This is maybe 150. It's sort of gray. Man, I'm so proud of this loading screen. Ooh, okay. Oh yeah, I wanted to put the numbers so that they're behind. Timeline is here, I think. cursor. Yeah, exactly. Let's redo. Okay, let's say I'm working with this. Very nice. I want a keyframe at 800. Oop, drag it to 800 if I can. You had a keyframe, perfect. I want to add a keyframe here. Poop, you're good. Poop, another one here. Poop. I think keyframe should only go up to the bottom of the text so that they don't overlap the keyframes. Also at that point, maybe the keyframe should be at the bottom. This one at the top. No, they're better at the top. Yeah. I'm gonna remove the divided by 2. And I can move that up there. Text width, text height. Those can be there. I'm doing the same thing twice. Vector to text size. Text size dot x. Oh, I need to remember to use visual edit since I'm using Vim. It's so much faster anyway. Boop, boop. Yeah. Okay. Now I have my text size. I want my this thing here to, instead of going from the top, I want it to go from the top plus text height plus text height. You know what? I could let's just see if I need an offset on that. Maybe I'll create a variable. Okay, add a keyframe. The 30 should probably be the same color as the other ones. Okay, I'll create a variable. Okay, you're going up here. Oop. Let's try it. Wait, did I? Oh man. Oh, it's not accurate. That's odd. How is it not accurate? Plus, this is accurate. Why is it not working? So weird. Well, I don't understand. It goes too far up. I'm undoing. What? The
It's showtime.
Hey, welcome, Top Braj. How are you doing? Welcome to the stream. I'm doing pretty good too. Okay, one sec, I'll show you what I'm doing. I'm just putting a bunch of magic numbers and then... Yes. The one and only thing that matters when you don't want people to understand your own code. Along with what? What did I do? Did I do that? Oops. Okay. So I'm working on a game called Rashtal. The idea is that you're on an alien planet and you're a little creature and you're trying to control it through some obstacles. The whole planet is a massive volcano, so all of life has evolved to be... Oops. I'm not sure what I just clicked on. All of life evolved to use this volcanic energy. Yeah, thank you. So like through those big trees, for example, there's some flowing lava, and this creates explosions for the game. Right now I'm working on my in-game map editor. So I'm able to design, select areas, there's a timeline at the top. I'm able to add keyframes. So this is what I'm working on right now, the timeline. I'll show you some gameplay. Oops. Man, I'm clicking the wrong stuff. Pretty non-existent, yeah. Hey, I'm all about in-game tools. Like this is pretty much the only reason I'm even a game dev, just because of the idea of creating in-game tools. Oops. Okay, so your goal is to cross. If you get hit, you die. You only die on the first frame that the explosion spawns, so frame 0 here. Any other time, you're fine. You're able to jump literally into the explosion and you're fine. As long as you're not there at the start. With that in mind, I'm able to create some level loops. So the same thing happens over and over, and you're trying to see the safe spots. Oh man, I forgot. Anyway, I wanted to make the stream nicer. I feel like the stream is really not as nice as what I see on my screen. So you're looking for the safe spots, and sometimes you're not able to run in a straight line. So you need to dodge. Yeah. Hey, don't worry about the difficulty. This map is it gets insanely hard. Well, if you put the level of like how hard it is on a scale of 1 to 10, this map is maybe a 7. Boom. So yeah, it's a bit of a puzzle game where you're trying to see where you're... Oh, oops, I missed my... You're trying to see where the safe spots are. And then when you figure them out, you can just do it with the skills. So you're sitting here and then you're trying to see, where could I possibly be standing? You're trying to see a kid or some parts in the middle. Obviously, like by the time you see a level like this, the game will have trained you. Oh. When you start to get it right, it feels pretty nice. So it has the potential to be a bit of a rage game. Yeah. but the maps themselves don't need to be hard. I can design hundreds of levels that are like for example 3 on 10 in terms of difficulty. Okay. Hey, peace. I'll check your stream out. Maybe I can catch you. I'm assuming you were doing a game dev, right? Yeah. Oh, right. Oh, I think I... Okay, okay, wait. I added an option. Oh, never mind. Ignore that. This is the old build, it doesn't have it. Oops. This level is especially hard.
I am a robot.
Hey, thanks for the follow. Top brush. Top bra. Come on. Ooh, got it. There's like one part that I find really hard. So this is a level that shows a bit the puzzle element in its simplest form. You're trying like to run, but you're just slow, slightly too slow. Oops. Go, 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 go. Yeah, so it's impossible. So the puzzle part is you have to backtrack. Oops. Ooh, let's go. And then you can cross. 1 second. Okay. And then this one shows a bit more like precision clicking. Ooh, okay, I misclicked, but it worked. This one is just bad level design. Oops. Yeah, it's just boring. Yeah, you can just do that and it's way too easy. Well, I mean, it's not... the pattern is not good enough for the solution that you end up having. The rhythm is nice though. Anyway, that's the game. So a very simple mechanic, but you're able to do so many patterns. Oh, I like this one. That's an unsatisfying comment, but I'll still push it. Oh! I was in the middle of editing this. Completely forgot. Or used input. Just doing my fancy Elvis operator. Okay, nice, nice. Okay. Level and okay. Let's run that again. I need to see the timeline correctly. Wait, what? Ooh, no. Yeah. Hey, you wouldn't think this is SC2. Or maybe if you did, you would if you played it, but I don't think I played it. It is SC2, right? Yeah, Wings of Liberty. Okay. Man, I need to fix that. It's so annoying. Oh, wow. What color do I give it? That's a good question. I made my own VS Code theme. But I edited it today and then I guess I forgot to... I broke some stuff. Let's see. Debugging. I made it 111. Status bar actually. Yeah, it is. Okay. We could make it nicer though. Maybe I switch it to this dark. Barely noticeable, like the difference, but it's gonna be there. Oh, also I wanted my this background for overlaps. color reference. There we go. I want to change the color for the hover. I'm getting sidetracked, but I don't mind. Oh, also I forgot to update what I'm doing right now. Hover. Let's try. Okay. Editor dot hover highlight background. Let's do that. Oh. That's not the one I want to change, but I kind of like that. What color do I give for that? That's kind of cool. I can edit in this window and it's going to always show me the changes right away. So what do I give you? I might go for this sort of blue. Oh, nope. Not bad, but not at all what I want. Okay, that's good. I don't know how they call their it's gotta be here somewhere. It's a bit hard to find how to style this one. Editor widget background, let's try that. Oh, there you go. I want to give it a dark color like this. Maybe a bit too. Oh, nice. Okay, this is good enough. Be right back. The search for this crazy world. Oh yeah, here I'll put it as the next one again. I was about to test this. Right. Okay, now I add a little offset. What is padding left? What's the value on that? Do I create a variable padding top or something? Padding keyframe. Let's use like 20. I'm tempted to put a line that goes across. Oops. Oh, fine. I'll create a variable then. Fine, fine. How did I call it? Keyboard? Okay. Now I'm writing keyboard. Wow. That's some good memes right there. Right, I'm supposed to give you a color dot black and then something like 2. Oh, okay, I'm gonna push my team. do some Justin Bell. Okay, eventually I'm gonna... The theme is gonna update and then the colors will be better. Alright. That's too much. Also, that line, now that I see it, looks not good. Yeah, let's get rid of that. Padding keyframe is way too much. Let's put it on 5. Yeah, that looks good. Okay, I'm gonna draw another line. This line should make it better. Ooh, there we go. Let's try with a ×3 instead. I'm not convinced. 4 is better. Maybe that line needs to go all the way down. Yeah. I wonder if I should reduce the contrast a bit. Or maybe give them transparency. Huh, that's not the worst idea. I could make the text black with transparency. Might look better. So yeah, let's try it. What? I'm 0.7. F. Now it's invisible. Huh. Well, I see it, but it's impossible to read. Though it's not bad, but I guess it needs to be white in that case. Okay. Okay, I can add more transparency, so maybe like 0.3. I just want it to be barely there. Just enough to see it, but not enough to take all the attention. Like that. That's not bad. Maybe it's too much, but... Nice. Very nice. When you resize the screen, it still looks... Well, I mean, obviously there's a limit to it, but... Yeah, but for the most part, it's good. Yeah, I'm liking this. If I add a keyframe, boop. Boop. Wait, what? Oh, where's my keyframe? Why do I see it here but not here? I wonder why. I changed something, I guess. I wanted to like it, but this looks wrong. It's not easy at all. It's not that easy to work with compared to what I had before. It's almost like a downgrade even. That's cool actually. Putting the number up there with a background. Centered on the line. String. Wait, what? Ah, I don't need to do that. That's not 0. That's top. It happens to be 0, but we don't know that for sure. I want it to be fancy, but it's not good. Okay, I want to give you what? What does it do? My game is the levels in my game are loops. I'll show you. I'm starting to be tired. I woke up at midnight, so it's been like 14 hours already. Okay, so this is a level in my game. It repeats. When you're there, when the explosion spawns, you die. Otherwise, you're safe. You can jump into it, no problem. So the game is designed with loops. Events happen. For example, this one is every second, and then you have a keyframe at 0, 200, 400, 600, 800. And then you observe the pattern, and then you're able to cross. Oops. Like that. So so you look at this, and then it repeats. You look at the safe spots, and then when you figure them out, you're able to cross. So when you figure it out, poop. Oh, what? Easy. Easy. Okay. So yeah, this is why I need a timeline. The timeline lets me put obstacles at different timings. Man, I like this old timeline with the numbers at the bottom. Yeah, I think I'm doing that. This is looking... yeah. I like that more. Right now it looks like that in my new map editor. Did I really do an error? Oops. Oh, I stopped in the middle of... Oh, wow. Man, it really goes to show that I'm tired. Okay, let's think. Yeah, that's right. I was about to create a variable. Supposed to be a float. What's that? Cursor width. I shouldn't have recompiled already. Oops. Cursor left plus cursor width, and then y2 text height plus 5. That's fine. Sorry, I'm not talking too much. I just want to do a border. That's what I'm doing right now. Top. Let's run that. Let's just see it. There's a little error, but might be fine. It's easy to fix though. Ooh, almost. Okay. Yeah, the yeah. Let's put this I like it though. Okay, so my line, this right there. Let's do the lazy version first. It needs to be drawn under. So this goes under like this. And then the fill rectangle. Well, let's try it. Let's see what it does.
I am a robot.
Thanks for the follow, Deal Time. Welcome to the stream. Yeah, I figured it would look like that. That's bad. Oh man. I don't. Okay. Obviously, I need to like do some little math. Okay, let's do the real way. Okay. Yeah, let's put that back up there. Plus 3, I think. Plus 3. There's a bunch of hard-coded stuff here, but I don't really care right now. I'm too tired to care, rather. I can optimize all the code later. And there we go, that was exactly what I needed. Oh man. I was about to do some really not nice code. Like drawing this thing twice and all. When I can just do a plus 3 and it fixes everything. So yeah. At this point I'm really disliking the offset. With this I can now put it closer. So I hard-coded a plus 15, I think. String plus 15. Plus 15. Let's add a text. Something like that. Instead of 15, I can do 5. And everywhere that I see 15 here, I replace by my new padding left text. Maybe I'll rename this later, but that. Padding left text. Boom. There we go. It should be good. So this is just playing with the drawing, the way like things are rendered. So I have this timeline. Ooh, I forgot to fix that. Cursor width plus 20 is now plus 10. In other words, padding text times 2. Hey, I like that. Okay, now the keyframes. They need to be oh yeah, I wanted to make this at the bottom instead of at the top. So let's change that. So this is my numbers right here. Instead of top, I do bottom minus text height. Perfect. This here will be top. Mm-hmm. Let's just see it. I might align it, move this down to the bottom. Yeah, I like that. It's really nice. Okay. Okay. This, I'll put it on the bottom. This here. Fill rectangle. It's kind of annoying, but text height. Minus padding. Or not. Bottom minus text height minus padding text. Cursor width. This, I don't think so. Draw a line. Oh, that was a mistake. Bottom minus text I. Padding text. Boop. Cursor left. don't know what I'm calling that, but it's gonna have this value. Man, I'm feeling so tired, it's incredible. And then the text itself. Bottom minus text height. It's too big. There we go. Why is there so much space on top? This feels like way more than... Oh, because it is. Okay. I don't know what I'm doing. Let's try it. Okay, that's not bad. I actually like it. Yeah. Okay, that's good. Okay. You know, I could have made the math all be relative to a value, and then I could change that value to change the whatever. Let's not do it though. But I could. Huh. It's kind of weird, but I kind of want my keyframes to be in front of everything. This is hard to read, really hard actually. This is so hard. I was tired of like copy pasting. The same color everywhere. Man, I'm starving now. I'm so tired and I'm starving. Do I still have coffee? Oh, I do. That looks better to me. Even though it's hardish to read the numbers, they're there. That's not bad. It's kind of fun too. But and also let's say yeah. I was gonna put the line below the text, but I kind of like it in front. It gives like a sense of depth. Like a little line passing in front like that, it's kind of cool. It feels like a sandwich almost. But I hate it. I think I'm gonna try to bring back my old code. This is too hard for a game that like the whole point of the game in terms of level design is to put keyframes down at specific timing, but right now the timings are like obfuscated, like it's hard to see them. It's like really bad. Compare this. I create my oops, wrong button. Come on, hide that. Okay. Oh, there you go. I was pressing. You see? Now I know that there's a keyframe at 0. If I put a keyframe at 152, poop. Now I know that this keyframe is at 152. If I put this here, I know that this keyframe is at 208. I put another one here, poop. Now like I know that this one is at 157. If I put here, I can see that it's, I guess it's hard to see, so I could like work on that, but 152 is right there. Yeah. Like even though this is not the best possible thing, it's already like so much better. I saw that and I thought that this was good, but now that I actually implement it in a similar way, it's not good. It can be better. Well, rather, this is better. It's easier to see exactly when the keyframe is set. Oop. I only have the information that is required. And instead of a number, I can just put maybe lines across at like maybe every 100. Without the numbers. Yeah, this is infinitely better. Maybe the new cursor is better, but oh. need to refresh to re-update my team. Yeah, I think I'm gonna end the stream here. I tried something new with the timeline, and it was a good learning experience, but it's not good enough. There we go, we have the new team now. Much better. Let's run the game, let's see what... I'm looking at the bar at the bottom. Boop. It changed to a slightly different color. Oops. Okay. Yeah, I think I'll call it a day for now. Yeah, so thanks for everyone that's watching the stream. If you want to join my Discord, here's the link. And see you tomorrow. Today we're Wednesday. Yeah. I might... I don't even think I have the energy to do anything behind the scenes until tomorrow. Yeah. I'll try... Yeah, anyway, peace. I'm really liking though, for a bit of time I was like stuck. Like I knew sort of what I wanted with the map editor, but it wasn't 100% obvious what I needed to do. So I feel like I'm starting to be a bit more on the right path. Anyway, peace.